What's going on, everybody? Eric Hansen with the Hansen Real Estate Team, and I am out here at the Velocity Restorations Factory in Cantonment. Me and Semi are about to take a little tour, and we are excited to meet my friend Jeremy to give us a little lay of the land and how Velocity does all these amazing Broncos, Mustangs, Scouts, F100s, and all kinds of really cool old vehicles. I'm super excited to go check it out. Let's see what's up.
Powder coat. So you have powder coat, paint, and Raptor all happening week 4. So it's definitely like a little bit of a dance. So they can all be ready to go week 5. Coming back up.
And then moving into here.
Yeah.
Where it starts to finish.
Yep.
All right, thank you to Jeremy for giving us that awesome tour of the facility inside. It's such an awesome process to watch it go from the very beginning of the boneyard, bringing it in weeks 1 through 7. Now we're here in the showroom where you can go to velocitymodерnclassics.com, check out some of these Bronco classics, Mustangs, the F-Series. Just such a cool spot to come out here. We are very blessed to have this facility right here in Pensacola, Cantonment area. They have over 145, I believe, employees right here that have great jobs pushing out an awesome product. So we're going to finish up here in just a second. Thank you to Jeremy and the gang here at Velocity for showing us around and giving us some good hospitality, and we'll finish up. All right, there you have it. Man, just had a great time at Velocity Modern Classics. Once again, thank you, Jeremy. We got all kinds of action going on behind me. One of the top-notch restoration, modern classic, old school Broncos, Scouts, Mustangs coming out of here, F-Series trucks from the 1960s and 70s. Just an awesome experience. Literally like the Rolex of modern classics. Absolutely love this facility, and we're so blessed to have it right here in Pensacola, Florida. If you'd like to learn more about the Hansen team or Velocity, you can go on our website. You can hit us up directly. We'd love to link you up with the great guys out here, the great sales team, velocitymodерnclassics.com. Find them on Instagram. You can find us on Instagram, social media, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And I'm Eric Hansen with the Hansen team. We will see you very soon, maybe driving a Bronco. One more thing, buy, sell, live.